Today I'm going to talk about time management in the PTE Reading module. Mainly I'll be focusing on some strategies which will help you save time and increase your accuracy in reading blanks and reading writing blanks. This is a technique which I have developed and which I called the layering technique. What it means is three levels or three layers in which you can break up the blanks when you solve them. First level or the first layer is look at the question or the passage from a distance. Means don't read the entire passage, just see the word before or after each blank very quickly, have a glimpse or a glance at it. See which word is before the blank. Is it to? Is it of? Is it for? Then use rules of grammar. So if there is a verb after of, for, by, in, on, it will end with ing most of the times. There are many such more rules for grammar which I'll be covering in my subsequent videos. So that is the first level, looking at just the words. Second, by looking at the words, if you are not able to decide the answer, then read the whole sentence. Why? To understand the context better. So that is the second layer, layer 2. Even after doing that, if you're not able to get to the right answer, then you'll must read the sentences in between those lines which have the correct blank. So then you need to understand the context better because sometimes blanks can be really tricky. And even if you use collocations or grammar, only one thing helps, and that is context. Hope this video helps you. Also share in comments which other videos on which other topics you would want us to make. For more videos and tricks and tips on PT, IELTS and NATI, follow us. I'm Malcolm. Thank you very much.